Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to start inside the function editor now. First, press mode or SET to confirm the calculator is in function or graphing mode. This ensures FX is active. Once done, clear any stored programs or lists that can override evaluation. Then open the function input, y equals or fx, and choose a slot like y1 so you have a clean place to type. This prevents conflicts and makes the next steps deterministic. Now type the expression carefully while thinking about order of operations. You must use parentheses for fractions and nested terms, for example, 2*x plus 1 / x3. Make sure you press the exact variable key your calculator expects, often labeled x or x, because x versus x can matter. Use the multiplication symbol where necessary instead of juxtaposition to avoid parsing errors. Once the formula looks correct, press Enter so the device stores the function for evaluation. You finish by testing the stored function at a simple value like x equals 1 to confirm output. If you get an error, reopen the editor and inspect parentheses, division by 0, or misplaced operators. That fixes most issues. Make sure to use the calculator's Evaluate or Calculate key to see results immediately. If problems persist, clear memory or revert mode settings. And as a last resort, perform a soft reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.